Whoa, check out this water heater heating element.
You guys, it's completely corroded and literally falling apart. This was from a hot tub, by the way.
And the wiring? It was an absolute mess, with rusted terminals and wires everywhere. But after some pretty meticulous work and carefully inspecting everything, we got these connections exactly where they needed to be. So remember to always inspect your old systems. It's so satisfying to see these parts working like new again.